Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at the best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of the 15th to the 21st. Some we're doing in store and some we are doing curbside. How exciting is cheap paper? I think it's a thing all of us absolutely love. So the first couple deals we're going to be looking at curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check. Okay, so deal number one, we are going to be using this booster if you might have it. I have a 7 back when you spend 35, so I'm going to throw that into the mix along with a discount code for extra magic. We have this, which is a 50-cent off of one, and it's either off of the 6-pack of the paper towel or the 9-pack of the toilet paper, the Walgreens brand. So in your cart, guys, and this is a tall order, we're going to throw 8 of each. So that's 16 altogether. And I really encourage you, once you place your order, to go get it right away because it does take a lot of room in that photo area where they keep a lot of these orders, just so you're not, taking up half the store with your curbside order. So just to show you, throwing in the code SAVE20, we're getting an additional $10.40 off along with that store coupon. $8 off. The overall total is $60, $18.40 melting off. We're still at our $35 threshold. $2.50 in tax, so the total is $44.10. With your debit card, you're going to pay that amount. You're getting back $7 plus another $3 for buying so many Walgreens brand products. It makes it a really great deal. I mean, like $30 for the 16 paper products. I think it's like $1.97, not factoring in the tax per paper product, which is definitely a stock up price. I know it's a little bit out of pocket, but if you want to just do this deal to really stock up for the summer months, it's not a bad one. The next deal that we're looking at, again, we're doing this curbside. We are going to be grabbing one Scott toilet paper and one Scott paper towel. And I apologize about the drilling in the background, a little construction project going on this week at the old house. So we're going to be loading the following digital coupons for this that include $1 off for the paper towel and the toilet paper. Those two at the front are manufacturers. And then the $1.25 off of one, which is actually $2.50 off of two. That's a store coupon. Get the basket to really get to that $10 point. We're also going to throw in one of these cute little 4-packs of the Cottonelle. And I know a lot of you really love Cottonelle, so this is your big moment to have some Cottonelle. And then we have $1 digital to go with, so why not load that? And then the math still isn't there, so we're going to throw in one of these toilet papers for $1.99. It just works out best with these little 4-packs to throw one of these in. And I don't mind any of the Walgreens brand paper. I think it's quite good, just to throw that out there. So the overall total for your basket is $16.99, $2.90 in instant store savings sort of stuff. And then we also have a $3 coming off at the manufacturers. So the total is $11.94 with tax. Use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it. If you're doing this deal with no booster, you're going to pay $1.94, and I think that's an excellent price point. Okay, now we're going to be doing some deals in store, and this one is with the Quilted Northern and the Angel Soft at $6.99, $3 reward when you purchase two. So you're going to grab two of them. And because it's a register reward deal, you must do it in store. We have $1 for the Quilted Northern that we're going to load and $1 for the Angel Soft. So load both of your coupons for $2 off. Very basic deal. Two of these paper products at $6.99 a pop is $13.98. $6.99 times 2, that's how I'm getting the math. Subtracting $2 digitals, you'll pay $11.98. Get back a $3 register reward. It makes it like $4 and some change per. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Pay it to earn your register reward and watch that machine like a hawk that your register rewards are printing. You don't want to be losing money, guys. And then the final deal that we're looking at, if you might have register rewards or some extra Walgreens cash, the Viva 2-packs are 2 for $10. And then these Kleenexes are 2 for $10 as well. And that's a very cheap price point at $5 each. Haven't seen that in a long time. So if you wanted to use, say, like a $5 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, no booster deal, this is definitely the way to do it. And just a reminder for all of you that are huge fans of Bath and Body Works, the semi-annual sale started on Monday the 16th. I believe it's going until the second week of July. I made a little video yesterday on how to save super money and how to find super deals. And if you want to check out the video, I will link it at the very end. And you can do these deals either in store or you can do them curbside. And curbside is kind of nice when it's like 95 degrees outside. There's nothing worse than running around when it's that hot outside. Okay, that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.